Welcome to Four Wheels Marvels. This is all new Ford Ranger Raptor pickup for 2023. Ford has let its engineers off their leashes and they have worked wonders with the 2023 Ranger Raptor. They had built the first Ranger Raptor in 2018. This new Ranger Raptor's upgrade include new engine, clever off-road shock absorbers, more drive modes, etc. The price in UAE is approximately 259,000 dirhams. The price in USA is around $57,000. Ranger Raptor is exported to UAE by Ford Australia, and in Australia the price is 86,000 Australian dollars. It is an Australian engine which is more powerful than the engine variants available in US or UK. It is a 3-liter EcoBoost V6 that produces 392 horsepower and 583 Nm of torque, that is 430 pound-foot of torque. Apparently in US and UK it is 3-liter twin-turbo V6 with 288 horsepower and 362 pound-foot of torque. The transmission is 10-speed automatic and the fuel efficiency is 10 km per liter. The alloy wheels are of 17-inch. The infotainment system is a 12.4-inch vertically oriented touchscreen with Ford's latest Sync infotainment software and a 12.4-inch digital gauge cluster for the driver. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. Along with various charging ports, Ranger also offers options such as built-in navigation and Bang & Olufsen audio system. Please subscribe my channel. I will see you tomorrow.